In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp missed call notification not showing on iPhone. So if you're frequently getting that the missed call notification is not showing on your home screen or lock screen, then here's how you can fix the problem. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, first thing first, check out your notification settings. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on notifications, and then scroll down and find out the WhatsApp app. Go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp, and once you're here, make sure to enable the allow notification is enabled and select lock screen, notification center and banners. Make sure to check out all this option. And then scroll down a little bit and tap on show preview and make sure to select the always, the default one from here, and then get back. And also you can tap on this WhatsApp notification settings inside the WhatsApp notification settings and make sure you have enabled all this option. And also you can tap on this reset notification settings in order to get back to the default notification settings on your WhatsApp. And once you do that, just get back from here and see if that fixes your problem or not. And most likely this main process will fix your problem, but if you still have the problem, then open up the App Store from your iPhone and then go and search for WhatsApp here. And once you get the WhatsApp, go and tap on the WhatsApp Messenger, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. Or if you don't find an update, you can get back from here and then open up the settings app once again from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone stores, and from here search for the WhatsApp. Go and tap on WhatsApp, tap on Offload app, and tap on Offload app, and lastly you just need to go ahead and tap on reinstall app. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from the WhatsApp. This will actually clear the cache and reinstall the WhatsApp on your iPhone. And once you do that, hope one of this process will fix the WhatsApp missed call notification not showing on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.